What's up? What it do? What it do? What it do? My name is Alethea. For those of you that are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications before you check up out of here. So anyway, this is part one. Yes, part one of my Sephora VIB sale haul. I am actually VIB Rouge. Yeah, I made Rouge last year. Isn't that a shame? I'm not ashamed of it, okay? I'm not. And you're not gonna make me be ashamed of it. It is what it is. So anyway, let me show you what I got in this portion of the sale. Like I said, because I do have some other things coming, because yeah, I went back in there and I did purchase something that my girl from Creative Lady TV and Napalicious TV suggested. Because y'all, I can't even say that. We be kind of egging each other on with this stuff, you know. She tells me about sales, I tell her about sales, and yeah, we just be helping each other feed our addictions. It is what it is. So, whoa. Let me show y'all what I got in this video. All right, so the first thing that I did get, and this is just some oil, is some Sephora Hemp Purifying Oil for face, body, and hair. And I got 2 bottles of this, and these were on sale for $5. And I have already opened this one. Yes, I did. I opened this one because I used it to put into my bottle to spray my hair. Yep, your girl putting oils on her hair. Yeah, I am. What you got to say? All right, and so then the next thing, I needed an eye cream, and it was so hard for me to decide which eye cream to get. I ended up choosing the Fasali Haldi Eyes Brightening Turmeric Eye Cream. That's a mouthful. I hope it focused. But anyway, it's just in this yellow container right here. And I'm thinking that it's yellow because of the turmeric. So this is the little container. And y'all know eye creams cost an arm and a leg, but you use them for a long time, so the containers are not that big. And this is what the cream looks like. So there is a good amount of product in this container, and I want to take this little stopper off because this little stopper is not going to help me at all. So take that off, get the product off of there. I'll just take this, even though it's eye cream, and I'll just rub it in so I won't waste any product, because those little things be getting on my nerves. And then I'm just going to put the top back on here and sit it over here. All right, so that is that, and I'm gonna keep the box. I don't think I'm gonna send it back, but until I know for sure, I am going to keep the box. So the next thing that I did get is from Fenty, and it is the Fenty Cream Cheeks Out Blush Freestyle Cream Blush. And I'm not a cream blush user, but yeah, I'm a Fenty lover. I love Fenty. I love Fenty products. So that's what made me get it. And I got the color Cool Berry. And this is the container it comes in. And it actually is about the same size as this Caramel Cutie Sunstalker bronzer that I have. Isn't that something? All right. And so here's what it looks like. It's just like a berry looking color. Almost like a purple. And I rubbed it in, probably too much. Let me rub it lightly so you can see what it looks like. So that's just lightly put on there, and that's rubbed in. So I'm not gonna put it on because I didn't have it on today, but I will wear it in another video and let you know that I have it on. The next product is from Fenty as well. Like I said, I have this Caramel Cutie Sunstalker bronzer, but based off of the Creative Lady suggestion, I decided to get the Sunstalker bronzer in the color Coconutty. And Coconutty is actually what I used today to bronze, and yeah, it really bronzed me. But this is what the container looks like. It is a full size, and it is, like I said, Coconutty. And let's see, this is what this one looks like. Very, very pretty. I really do like it. I did not get one of the cream bronzers. She came out with some cream bronzers as well as with the cream blushes, but I didn't get the cream bronzer. All right, and so the next thing that I have from this haul are 2 brushes. Yes, I purchased 2 brushes. Alright, so I purchased 2 brushes, and one of them is a Sephora brush, and it's a number 50, and it is a pro brush, a powder brush. And I bought this because I saw Andrea Renee's video where she said this is a good brush for contouring, or no, for bronzing. And I think, no, she said contouring, I think. But this is how the brush is made, and it's kind of flat. And it's just domed on each side. So I haven't used it yet, but yeah, I'm really liking this brush. And then the next brush, it is a new brush from Fenty. It came out with the cream highlighters, and it is the 125 face shaping brush. Let me show you what this one looks like. This is my first Fenty brush. When Fenty first came out, I bought that foundation brush, but I didn't care for the foundation brush, so I did take it back to the store. So, but this is the brush, and so it's a blush brush, or you can use it for your bronzer, whichever one you decided to purchase, if you didn't purchase both of them. And so yeah, I do have this. So it's my first Fenty brush, and I do like the way that brush looks. Alright, so I'm going to show you some other things that I purchased, because I don't want to do these in a separate haul, but I went to the store to get my vitamins. I take some multivitamins, gummy multivitamins, and I get them from Walmart, but Walmart had been out the last 2 times that I went, so I ordered them online. I bought them from this company online called iHerb, and when I was on there, I saw some other things that I decided to get, so let me show you what I got. I actually got some rose water. If you watched my previous video, I am no longer with my previous consultant, and I have decided to try some things on my hair that I wanted to try, hence the rose water as well as the hemp seed oil. So I have them in this container. I have some distilled water, some rose water, and then the hemp seed oil and a few drops of lavender oil that I have sprayed into my hair. I also purchased from them this aloe vera cream. I just really wanted to get free shipping, and that's why I purchased the aloe vera cream. It has a very light smell to it, but I like it. I like it. I'm glad I did get it. This is my first time opening it. I usually open stuff or try to look at some stuff before I come on with it. It says use as a moisturizer or a night cream. So yeah, I'm glad I got that. Last thing I got this from Amazon. My girl Tamaria LaKay right here on YouTube. Go and check her out. She showed this shampoo, this apple cider live clean detox shampoo, and I decided to get this, and I got it off of Amazon, and I think it was, yeah, it was Amazon. I think it was $4.98 a bottle, and it says it's 98% plant derived, SLS free, phthalate free, paraben free. And so I haven't tried it yet, but the next time I do my shampoo, I'm going to try it. It came a day after I shampooed my hair, so therefore I have not gotten the chance to use that. So I'm looking forward to using that. Yeah, your girl is just gonna try some things with this hair and be free. But anyway, that is it for this Sephora VIB sale haul. When my other things come in, I actually have 2 different orders because I ordered one thing by itself and then I ordered 3 things together. And so once those come in, then I'll come in and I'll haul those. But other than that, this is it. So if there's anything that you would like to see on my channel, please do leave that in the description box below, and give me a thumbs up, please. Help your girl out, help me move and grow my channel. I'm trying to bring the content. So other than that, thank you all so much for coming back to another video. I appreciate you, each and every one of you. So until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.